Now the paint prep is all done and we're ready to apply the ceramic coating. We've chosen the 3-year ceramic coating for this vehicle because it stays outside all the time. And it gets driven through all types of weather, plus it goes on gravel roads, etc. So we want to protect it as much as possible from water spotting, because it had quite severe water spotting before. Now, thanks to the water spot remover and a bit of polishing, most of them are gone. The chemicals or the components that cause the water spots are definitely gone because of the water spot remover, but the scars are still left behind. We want to reduce that scarring. We do so with the graphene in the 3-year ceramic coating. The other thing is, there's a lot of really intricate parts here. And spending our time getting in there, trying to get coating on all these little parts would be very time consuming. Now, some of you are out there probably typing already, why don't you spray it on? Well, spraying a coating is very, very dangerous. And I know there's some companies that condone it. I personally do not. The reason I do not condone spraying a ceramic coating is you've seen pictures, they're wearing gloves and a mask. And then short sleeves, their face, their hair, everything is exposed. Coating absorbs through your skin as much as it does through your lungs. Having a mask is fine, but then the overspray that's getting on you is getting in you. That's why we're opting not to spray this. We could. If you have a paint booth, definitely you can spray. The final aspect is, once the coating is cured, so 1 week later, we're going to be washing this one more time. And when we wash it one more time, we'll be using quick beads as a drying aid. The quick beads as a drying aid, it will get in absolutely everywhere and coat everything. Now, we didn't do it before because we knew we were going to be applying a coating, and you don't want the quick beads interfering with the coating bonding. But once we're done, a week later, all the surfaces that we can coat with the applicator will be done. From there, all the surfaces that we couldn't coat will get covered with quick beads. And if they maintain the quick beads every 6 months, they'll be fine.